Okay guys, so we're back. So I'm going to show you here is a ghost. Well, we got two of them. That we're building. Okay. And I'll end up setting the other one up too. You'll see both of them. But I just wanted to show you that. Now I'm just going to go ahead and set my camera back up on the tripod and show you how we got it this far and what we did, and then we'll go from there. Okay? Okay guys, so we're back. So you've seen we've been building a couple of ghosts. We got to finish them off, so I'm going to make the boy's hat for his ghost, and my wife's going to do the hat for the girl ghost. Yep. And mine, I'm just going to take tinfoil. You've already seen me wear a top hat. And I'm going to make this same basic shape out of the tinfoil and the paper and the glue and the water to keep it lightweight. That's how I'm going to build this one. And my wife's, I'm not sure how she's doing hers.
I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to use this ball, put some tinfoil around it, how far down I want it for the shape, and make like a sun hat. And you'll see as we go.
Yep. We're going to go ahead, look at these basic shapes, but to say just cardboard or tinfoil stuff, then we'll come back and show you guys. Okay. So,
no, it's alright, never mind.
I think I just go get your flop hat.
No,
that's what I did. See, that's how I got my hat. I used my actual hat.
That. I've got that part. I'm good. Never mind.
Okay guys, so here we go. Okay, this is how my hat turned out. I showed you I just took my top hat and kind of formed the same shape. So it's real lightweight, it's just paper. Okay, here's my wife's hat that she did. Check hers out. Here's the back and here's the front. It's got the bones and little skull. That's pretty cool. It's just lightweight. Okay. I'm going to move those to the side. I'm going to grab our skeleton. Hold on one second. Okay. So, here is my guy. Okay. So what I'm going to do get him adjusted here for a second. Because I'm thinking I'm going to make it a little more spooky. And get me a paintbrush here, and I think I am going to paint his eyes. Paint his eye sockets black. Okay. That give him a little more of the creep factor, right? So, well, let me get a brush that's working here. Alright, go through and clean all my brushes. So I think I'm going to take this paint I'm just going to paint this area in black where his eyes would be. Give me 1 second here and I'll show you guys what I'm up to. See, I think I'm just going to take some black. Put some black and give these eyes some depth there, make him look cool, right? So, maybe I should, I think I might take this, maybe I'll give him a white dot in his eyes. Here comes a real creator.
That's funny. That's cool. I'm not the real creator. That's what I'm laughing at.
So, then if you take his top hat, grab his top hat right here. Yeah, I think he'll be cool. Okay guys, so here's our finale, plus a little explanation. Seems how we've been having problems with our stuff lately, so we have some footage get lost and this and that, but Anyways, here's the finale. Here's our dancing ghost. And most of the footage you see how we did the hats and all that, but what you didn't get to see is how we did the bodies. And how we did the bodies is we just took cheap foam heads and cheesecloth you can buy anywhere. And then my wife had the brilliant idea of just making her own homemade starch, which you can go online and find different recipes for homemade starch. It only cost you a couple dollars. So it's a couple dollars for the foam heads, a couple dollars for a little bit of cheesecloth, and then what was it, baking soda? Cornstarch?
Cornstarch.
Cornstarch. Now they say there's a recipe, so it doesn't cost you anything. So I just took my tripod that I had next to one, and I sat the foam head on top of the tripod, and then I took wire and I put the wire around the tripod where I wanted it to hold the cheesecloth out. Then my wife did her homemade recipe, and we dunked it in the homemade recipe, the cheesecloth, and then we just put it over the heads and dripped it down over the body to where we wanted it.
Yeah.
Then we let that dry. And then after that dried, I came back and I put some wire back in mine in spots where I wanted it to be. It's like to have her dress come out in spots where I wanted it to. Okay, so that's all we did there. It's just cheesecloth, a little bit of wire, a foam head. Then we just painted ours how we wanted ours. And like I say, you've seen how we did the heads for the hats. And this is what we came out with.
We left the foam heads inside.
Yes, and we left the foam head because that way I put a little hook on top of the foam heads so I could hook the wire to it, the fishing line, and that's going up and tied it onto the ceiling fan. And this is our creation of some dancing ghosts that only cost a couple dollars. Now what could be really cool is if you had some glow-in-the-dark paint, you could have sprayed these in different glow-in-the-dark paint is out on your porch or something.
Yeah.
If you had a black light, you could either sit it above it or one you just out here on an angle so it'd make them glow. But we didn't have any glow-in-the-dark paint. This is
and
what
they
we
didn't
have.
have any at our Home Depot either.
Yeah, our Home Depot didn't have any, so this is what we came up with. Like I say, you could do that, make them glow, or you could put some battery-operated lights in them. Maybe, just stick it to the top of the head, the battery pack, then have the lights go down. So there's a whole bunch of different things you could do. But, this is ours. This is what we came up with. So maybe this will give you guys some ideas. It's fun when it costs a couple dollars to do. And we hope you enjoyed this. So, I guess, I hope you guys like and share and subscribe this, because we like to do this stuff, and so we have some more videos.
Yeah.
Okay?
Thanks, guys.
Thanks. Thanks for watching, and like I always say, till next time.